Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. Do let me know how you like the readings, and I hope you all are there in my WhatsApp group where we update all the workshops that we keep bringing from time to time. And whenever I get time, whatever small tips I put, I keep updating in that. So if you're not there, then you can WhatsApp to 63806 77131 and be added to the group. So let's see what's in store today. Two cards have come out on its own. So okay, that's a 3 of air and the 2 of air. This is a beautiful combo, a black and white figurine, but I feel I should pull one more card, so I'm just pulling one more card, and that card is nothing but the love. So this I'll predict in the end, and then first let's predict these two cards. In the 3 of air, if you see, there's a person who's reading something. So some maybe you are trying to work on a project, or you're trying to mentor someone, or you are worried about your child's education. It can be any one of this, but I just feel that you need to understand that maybe it is a process which will take its own time, but at the end of the day you will be successful in it. Because when I see this is basically more like you are blocking things, you are being very rigid to yourself, and you are stressing too much on the part of the be it the project or the education of the child, or something which you want to bring in forward. But just understand one thing: every coin, the way every coin has two sides, same way every situation has two things. So if there is a positive, there is a negative, there is always that some obstacle or the other will come. But if you keep worrying on the darker part, then what happens is you end up stressing a lot, and when you end up stressing a lot, you will be your own sufferer. So today the universe is saying to let go of the darker side, accept the positive side, and understand that at the right time it will happen. Now what do you need to do for that? I guess it is love yourself, give yourself a lot of self love, and love life around you, love the energies around you. Just feel good about yourself, because when you feel good about yourself, everything will fall in place. Today I would suggest to wear the color white, because I feel you need a lot of clarity, and because of that you're not able to understand how things are going. In the morning, if possible, have a bath with some rock salt water, and I feel you should do the Surya Mudra today in the morning for 10 minutes for more clarity and positivity. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.